This is our Forex blog for the week of November 24th, 2017. Just going to showcase some of the trades in the last few days. You can see the euro dollar. Obviously, this was Thanksgiving, low volatility day for the most part. Friday, nice trend trade here for about 15-25 pips, and then a nice huge one here for about 75 pips. Here on Thursday, nice 10-15 pip trade here, 5 pip trade, probably 8 pip loss, break even or 5 pip loss or win, 25-30 pip win. This one went long and then immediately short here, so you lost 10 pips, made it back on this trade, or at least 5 pips of it. 10-15 pips here, 2 or 3 pip win or break even, and then a nice win, break even, small loss, nice win here, very tiny loss. In the keto trading systems, we focus mostly on trend trading. We use both short-term intraday trend and also multiple day, week, and month trends as well. So that you could look at this and say, well, it's been trending up, here's a sell. If you zoom out a little bit, you can see it's been going down 1 day, 2 days, 2.5 days here, and this is a two-wave pullback in the longer-term trend that's down. So we have trends that are looking at really short-term intraday time frames and also longer-term time frames. And anytime someone says trade with a trend, you should think, what trend? Short-term trend, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute trend, 30-minute hour trend, 4-hour trend, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. And so, we pretty much go from the short-term trends to the multiple week and multiple months trends and ignore yearly trends because, our trades are so short-term. This one, after the markets died down, really was just choppy. But earlier in the day, you can see it had a very small profit here, small profit, and same thing happened on Thanksgiving. There was no trades, and then, when everyone left to enjoy their Thanksgiving, the market just went nuts. And I mean, it just went sideways, but it was moving enough to create these bars. These are range bars. So I'll ignore the Swiss pairs. They're the only two that did that. Most of them, kind of did small moves like this. Small profit here and nothing on Friday in the dollar yen. Australian dollar, not much going on. Dead markets. New Zealand dollar, small 10-15 pip profit here, 10 pip profit. Euro dollar, you can see on Thursday there really wasn't any trade except for here. Nice small 10-15 pip trade, 15 pip trade. Beautiful counter trend trade. A lot of our counter trend trades are based on Fibonacci's and our stat levels. And this one, it may not have been the result of either of those two. And then we have a nice narrow range breakout trade here that unfortunately got stopped just a little too early. It would have made twice as much profit if it weren't for that little bit of pullback. Small profit, 10 pip loss, 20 pip win, 20 pip win, 20, 25 pip win. This one went short, immediately went long. So pretty much break even on the first one and maybe a 5 pip loss on the second. Australian yen here, 10 or 15 pip trade, 8 pip loss. So very small losses compared to wins, much bigger wins than losses. Small win, small win, small win. End of the day, 5 or 10 pips up in that last trade here. This one also was a Swiss pair, so it went kind of nuts as well. Small loss, nice, pretty decent win here. 15 pip win, 15 pip win. And when you go back, some of these trades would have shown up those days and some of them wouldn't have. Maybe this trade didn't exist on that day but shows up after the fact. Our statistical tools, once you go back 2 days, start becoming less and less effective and accurate in the past, and trades that rely on them either will show up or won't. So I don't tend to showcase back more days. And this one, small 5 pip win, break even, 8 pip loss, small 5 pip win, and then a very nice 40 pip win to end the day.